Imagine you're a pilot. The sky is clear. Your plane is fully fueled. Your instruments are working perfectly. Then out of nowhere, your compass starts spinning. Your radio cuts out. And beneath you, nothing but miles of dark, empty ocean. You send one last transmission, then silence. Forever. This is not fiction. This happened. And we still don't know why. Welcome back. Today we're diving literally into one of the most terrifying and mysterious places on Earth, the Bermuda Triangle, a region so strange, so deadly that it has swallowed ships, planes, and hundreds of human lives without leaving a single trace behind. We're talking about a stretch of ocean between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, about 500,000 square miles of water, and within that water, secrets that have never been explained. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll never look at the ocean the same way again. Chapter 1, Flight 19, December 5th, 1945. Fort Lauderdale, Florida. 5 U.S. Navy torpedo bombers take off on a routine training exercise. The pilots are experienced. The weather is clear. Nothing should go wrong. But 90 minutes into the flight, something changes. The lead pilot, Lieutenant Charles Taylor, radios back to base. His words are chilling.
We have an emergency. Both my compasses are out. I'm not sure of my position. We seem to be lost.
The other pilots are confused too. Their instruments are malfunctioning. They can't tell east from west. They circle desperately, trying to find land. Then the radio goes quiet. All 5 planes, 14 men, vanished without a trace. The Navy immediately launched the largest search and rescue operation in its history. And in a cruel twist, one of the rescue planes sent to find them also disappeared. 13 more men gone. No wreckage, no bodies, no explanation. The Navy's own official report concluded with 6 words that still haunt investigators today. Chapter 2, Other Disappearances. But Flight 19 is just one story. The Bermuda Triangle has been swallowing victims for over a century. In 1918, the USS Cyclops, a massive U.S. Navy cargo ship carrying 309 people, disappeared without sending a single distress signal. No storm, no enemy attack confirmed. Just gone. To this day, it remains the largest non-combat loss of life in U.S. Navy history. In 1881, a British ship called the Ellen Austin came across an abandoned schooner drifting in the Triangle. They put a small crew on board to sail it to port. The 2 ships got separated in a storm. When they found the schooner again, the entire prize crew had vanished, just like the original crew. And in 1948 and 1949, back-to-back years, 2 British passenger aircraft, the Star Tiger and the Star Ariel, disappeared on flights through the Triangle. No mayday, no wreckage, no survivors. Over 1,000 lives, hundreds of vessels, all consumed by this one stretch of ocean. Chapter 3, The Theories. So what's actually going on? Scientists, researchers, and conspiracy theorists have proposed dozens of explanations. Let's go through the most compelling ones. Theory 1, methane gas explosions. Beneath the ocean floor of the Bermuda Triangle lie massive deposits of methane gas, trapped in a form called methane hydrate. Scientists believe that if these deposits are disturbed by earthquakes or pressure shifts, they can release enormous bubbles of gas. A ship caught in one of these bubbles would lose all buoyancy and sink instantly before a distress signal could even be sent. Theory 2, magnetic anomalies. The Bermuda Triangle is one of only 2 places on Earth, the other being the Devil's Sea near Japan, where true north and magnetic north align perfectly. This sounds harmless, but for navigators using a compass, it means their readings are off. Way off. Enough to send a plane or ship miles in the wrong direction. Theory 3, rogue waves. Scientists have now confirmed the existence of rogue waves, sudden, massive walls of water up to 100 feet high that appear with no warning. They last only seconds, but they can snap a ship in half before the crew even knows what hit them. And in deep water, the wreckage sinks without a trace. Theory 4, hexagonal clouds. In 2016, satellite images revealed something bizarre over the Bermuda Triangle hexagonal cloud formations, unlike anything seen elsewhere on Earth. Meteorologists believe these clouds act like air bombs, generating blasts of wind up to 170 miles per hour. That's enough to flip a ship or tear a plane apart mid-flight. Theory 5. Something else. And then there are the theories that science can't quite explain. Underwater alien bases, time warps, portals to other dimensions. A lost city Atlantis whose ancient technology still interferes with modern instruments. Crazy? Maybe. But when you can't explain where 14 Navy pilots went, can you really rule anything out? Chapter 4: The Skeptics. Now, to be fair, not everyone believes the Bermuda Triangle is special. Lloyd's of London, the world's most powerful insurance market, does not charge higher premiums for ships passing through the triangle. The U.S. Coast Guard officially does not recognize it as a danger zone. Researcher Lawrence David Couchet spent years analyzing every reported disappearance. His conclusion? Many incidents were exaggerated. Some happened outside the triangle entirely. Others occurred during storms that were simply left out of the reports. He argued the Bermuda Triangle is, in his words, a manufactured mystery. But here's the thing. Flight 19 cannot be explained away. The USS Cyclops cannot be explained away. Experienced pilots and sailors, people who knew the ocean gone. Without a word. Manufactured mystery, or the greatest cover-up in history. The Bermuda Triangle has taken lives, defied science, and broken minds for over a century. And despite everything we know, the satellites, the sonar, the modern technology, it has never given up its secrets. Maybe one day we'll have answers, or maybe some mysteries are meant to stay mysteries. If you made it this far, drop a comment below. Do you think the Bermuda Triangle is real, or is it all just hype? I want to know what you think. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay curious, stay safe, and whatever you do,